Hi, this is Tara with Index Data, and this is how to change an item's status. So we're going to start by going to the Inventory app, and from here we're going to search for the title that we're looking for. We'll click on the instance that we want to look at, and then under the holdings, we'll click on the item's barcode to bring up the item record. So you can actually see the item's current status in two places. The first is in the header, and the second is in the loan and availability accordion, where you can see the status and the time and date it was last updated. To change the status, we're going to go to the Actions menu, and we'll see all of the statuses represented by flags that we can give to this item currently. So we'll go ahead and mark this one as missing. When you click on missing, it brings up a confirmation modal. Once you hit confirm, you'll see that the status changed in both the header and in the loan and availability accordion, as well as the date and time that it was updated. Now you may notice that not all statuses are available to be applied using the Action button in Inventory. That's because some statuses are applied automatically by FOLIO, such as Age to Lost. Others are applied only during certain types of processes, such as in transit. In this example, we're looking at an item that's currently checked out, which was applied when the item was checked out. And you'll notice that because it's checked out, the other statuses do not appear. An item that is currently checked out cannot be marked missing. You'll notice that the same is not true of our original missing item. That one can have another status applied with no problem. For example, we can go ahead and mark it as withdrawn. Once we hit confirm, you'll see that the status changes to withdrawn. One other thing to be aware of is that your permissions can affect the statuses that are available to you. Not all users have access to all statuses. So if you are, for example, not seeing the missing status, you might need to check your permissions. One thing you may have noticed is that even though you can place a status on an item using the Action menu in Inventory, you can't take a status off that way. To remove a status, what we're going to do is we're going to go to the Check-in app. We're going to scan the item's barcode. We're going to confirm that we're going to check in an item with that status. And then we'll see that the item status is currently available. And that is how you remove a status from an item. All of these statuses behave in slightly different ways, and the best way to find more information about a status is to go to the documentation. In the documentation, you can see a table that has information about each of the statuses currently implemented in FOLIO.